integration of work center. So work center can be used for scheduling. Okay. So what is mean by scheduling? By the word we understand, scheduling is what? Anybody? Okay. What is your understanding of scheduling? Suraj, Akshay, Sagar, Aditya. Scheduling means what? Your flight is scheduled on at so and so time means what?
Yes, in that schedule, so particular product, if suppose the one line we have a different product, so we can schedule that one, okay, for 1 to 5. So this product is generated, and for 5 to 6,
Okay,
another product
perfect.
generated like
So
that.
you are right. You are going to you are saying that scheduling is that if you are having a production line and if you are going to manufacture one product, so at what time product A will start and what time it will end, and then at what time product B will start and at what time it will going to be end. So scheduling is nothing but a start time and end time. Okay, operation time and the for. Okay, so that is scheduling. Okay, for any production order, we talk scheduling is equal to when the order is going to start and at what time order is going to be complete. That is scheduling. Now, in your work center, these timings are updated. How, where, that we are going to learn. So this work center is going to talk about, okay, if I am going to perform any operation, suppose this fellow is doing some turning operation. So to do setup activity, how much time is required? How much turning is going to be required? What is the operator times? Okay. So all these things are going to be updated, and this is going to help to find out what is the start time and end time, or we can say cycle time of your product. That also you can derive with the help of multiple machines. Single machine one time, and because of that you can find out the scheduling. So once you update the scheduling, what is the start time and end time? So ultimately you understand for one product what is the start time and time. So for 100 product, what will be the time? Based on that, you can do the capacity planning. So scheduling and capacity planning goes hands in hand. Okay. This is the second application. You can use it for capacity planning. Third operation application is that cost center. We are going to learn in very much detail. It is very much important part. These setup time, machine time, labor timing have some formulas. Okay. This based on this formula, we can find out a manufacturing cost. Okay. What is this labor price? What is this turning operation price per minute? Every details we are going to update in our work center, and that work center will help to find out the cost. Okay. So work center is having one cost center, and that cost center is having activity types and formulas, which finally gives you the cost of that particular manufacturing of that work center. Okay. So if you remember, if you go to uh, any MIDC area or any industrial area, we'll say that turning machine available or CNC machine available 1000 rupees per hour, 2000 rupees per hour. What is that? If you have to get some operation or any product get milling operation done or any product get turning operation done from our industry or our workshop, we are charging 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees per hour. So what is that? That is a rate, manufacturing rate. Okay. Or even very good example I used to give, that if you are doing the construction of your house and you want to start the first operation, that is digging the ground. Okay. For that you will borrow JCB or some kind of big machines. Okay. So the machine will do the activity for next 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Okay. And per hour you have to pay 2500 rupees or maybe 3000 rupees per hour, whatever be the charges. And your once the activity is done, you will pay based upon per hour rate. Okay, so that is called as a costing of that particular activity. So the work center is going to be defined what is the cost of that particular operations. Okay, and ultimately this work center is going to be a part of a routing, and which is going to give you the final ultimate cycle time of the product. Okay, so these are the different integration, or we can say applications of this work center for scheduling, costing, capacity planning, and it is also help to simplify the operation maintenance. Okay, various default values for operations can be entered into the work center via in the routing via work center. Okay, so this is the importance of your work center applications. I hope it is clear theoretically. We are going to learn everything in more detail, but as of now, I hope everybody is clear. Okay, moving ahead.